This video will explain how to use the FSU Digital Library. The Digital Library provides online access to thousands of unique manuscripts, photographs, pamphlets, rare books, historic maps, and other materials from across the FSU campus libraries and beyond. You can search the Digital Library using the top search bar here, which will search both the Digital Library and the research repository. By scrolling down the landing page, you will find a search box which will limit your results to digital library materials only. You can also browse the digital collections by scrolling down this page as well. If you want to browse all the digital objects in the digital library, select the View All Items in Collection link under the search box. This will bring you to a listing of all the digital objects in the digital library. You can start to limit these results by using the facets on the left-hand side of the screen, such as collection, date, and topic. You may also sort these results using the options in the drop-down here. If you want to run a search that is checking all text in every object, so a search that looks into every book and PDF file, you will need to use the advanced search, which is one of the choices in the top navigation bar. Once on the advanced search page, the default search is a full text and metadata search. You should limit the search only to the FSU Digital Library for the best results. Or if you know a specific collection in the digital library you wish to limit your search to, you may select it in that dropdown as well. Once you click search, it will return a set of results for you. And from the results, you can select an object that you want to look at and click on the object. This will take you to the object page where you can view the digital item itself. A persistent link or permalink is always located at the top of the object page. This link should be used in citing this object or asking questions about the object with special collection staff. As you scroll down the page, you will find more descriptive information about the object, including subject headings here in the center of the screen, which may help you find more objects in the digital library that are useful to your research. Also here is a listing for the archival collection that the object is originally from and a link to its finding aid, which may potentially lead you to find more materials that are also helpful both in the digital library and in the Special Collections Research Center when you visit us. Thank you for watching this video and happy searching.